water is gushing all over the road. Guys, we've been on a really long journey and we're coming into Rawapindi, and it's time to buy some fruit, and I'm just lost of choice. Look at this. And there's some mega bargaining going on at the minute between the two locals. So we've got a garma, or is it a sarda? Grapes and flies. Local pears. We have apples. We have mangoes of all different kinds. And we have world war going on with the prices. They're still haggling because the local shopkeeper wants to put the pieces in that he thinks are nice, and the buyer wants to put the pieces in that he thinks are nice. We have pomegranates, we have some apricots, we have some plums, the weights, all in their own style. And there we go, look, 2 kilos, weighs like 10 kilos with the olden style scale. Oh, and he's selling some other stuff as well. So this is Jalal's fruit shop. By Jalal, rakam ke liye gula? Peshawar. Peshawar bara ki duniya to hai, Peshawar wale khashta zere.
Peshawar sarji pade khashta zere, alhamdulillah. Tul puftane di yo paki minanak khalaq di. MashaAllah. और
कैमरे तरफ तो कर कैमरे तरफ
और बल यो खबरदार है कि टूल शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मुझ गुजारा और तिलावत कौन के खलक की टूल
माशाअल्लाह
और नूर मेरी खबर इस तरह बजे सर्दी
नो मेमन नवाजी नो द मेमन नवाजी यो नुस्खा खुराता हो कना
यो नुस्खा दादा सर्जी चीज़ खपला द पेशावरी इंदता पर रावलपिंडी कोई नूर मिल के बड़ी दुकान के सर्जी मजदूरी
माशाअल्लाह
और हर लहजा हर टाइम सर्जी पेशावर बस याद
माशाअल्लाह
पेशावर में नहीं रहेगी सर्जी
माशाअल्लाह उस यो सवाल बदन काम को रिश्ते आप आए खा
वो का
ज़्यादा फ्रूट चेदे नो खजी खुरी या सड़ी
सर्जी पर रावलपिंडी के कोई बस खजी खुरी हर यो चीज़ दत्त सर्जी बस दती खजो फैमिली सर्दी दती पर फकाई
माशाअल्लाह और फ्रूट वाले ज़्यादा पैसे सड़ी लगे या खजी
सर्जी बस असल के दिल तद्वान राजी
माशाअल्लाह
वो हर चीज़ सर्जी द फैमिली पर फकाई
माशाअल्लाह
ने ना खलकती द रावलपिंडी ढेर ज़्यादा में ना खलक सर्जी
माशाअल्लाह अब पूरा दुनिया ची गुरी नो आगे तो ऐसा मैसेज दे पाकिस्तान बारा की
सर्जी बस मैसेज डाले थे कसुक द पाकिस्तान कम अवामी बार मुल्कों के मुसाफिरी सर्जी अल्लाह दे फुल वतन तारा वली डाके मंगो जी सर्जी
जी माशाअल्लाह
और अल्लाह दी वर लदल तवर की सर्जी मुसाफिरी ढेर सख्त कार दे सर्जी द कली ना मिसलन के 10 किलोमीटर की मुसाफिरी गिराना रहा नो बार मुल्कों हो ढेर लरे घटा खबर है सर्जी.
So look, we're just travelling along back to Islamabad, and we've met this brother, and he said that he just wanted to just say a few words. So mashallah, we're going to khabari okay. Allah Pak de tur ke mal ke jaan ke barakat wache. Wherever you're watching, bhai tolo to aaya hota hai, subscribe, like and share.
Subscribe, like, share.
Thank you. Have a wonderful blessed day. So after a blazing hot day, and we're heading back to Rawalpindi. It's about 11:30 at night. The heavens have opened and it started to rain very heavily, which makes the road surface a lot more slippery, especially after a dry patch. So we're gently heading through whoops, daisy. We're gently heading through the local roads. I think this is Peshawari Road, going towards the Mall Road. Rawapindi is the fourth largest city in Pakistan, and very surprisingly, August is the wettest month, monsoon type of season, with about 53 inches of rain, which is fairly average for the month of August. June is the hottest month with an average of 31 degrees. And at the traffic lights, we have a church, which I think is called the St. Mary's Church. It's an absolutely stunning building. And there's a signals officer's mess on my left hand side. Oh, and look at them too. Assalamu alaikum. And not surprisingly enough, the twin city, the bigger brother or the little brother, which is Islamabad, recorded the most rainfall, which was about 24 inches. Generally visiting Pakistan tends to be very popular with tourists around about March time, and October time seems very, very popular because the weather seems to be a little bit more milder and a little bit easier to manage for those that find the 35, 40 plus temperatures a little challenging. And I'm not sure if it's fun for these guys or not fun for these guys. Oh goodness. It's very wet. Oh, there he goes. As we go past the Topi Rak golf course and the Ayub National Park. There's definitely no one in the sports complex at this time, and there's definitely no one playing in the park. Look at this. SubhanAllah. SubhanAllah. We are currently driving through this. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect everyone. It's still very warm, it's a good 27 degrees. So we've come through the rain. Mashallah, the rain is now stopped. So we turn left into Bahriya town, phase 3 Rawalpindi. Seems like a completely new world. Seems like a whole new world. It's suddenly quieter as we go over the road hump. So it's very quiet roundabout, the quietest I have seen it. However, it is fairly close to midnight and lots of the shops have been closed for Muharram as well. As we travel across the bridge, which we will turn left at the roundabout, which will take us towards the Corniche Road. So please subscribe, please share, please like the video as well. We have travelled about 97 kilometres, and I must admit I wasn't expecting that tropical change. The weather changed so quickly. It's still very warm, however the rain has now stopped. As you see the sign for the masjid, which is Masjid Riyaz al-Jannah. There's a street sign for Corniche Road or Cornish Road, depending on where you live in the world will depend on how you say that.